What's up, everybody? Welcome to Ultimate Outdoors. We're here in the compound. I'm going to shoot a little video, box opening of the HMF Titan Quiet Core Series. We got this new exhaust for the wife's bike. Can't wait to get it installed. We have Snort Run coming up here pretty soon, so we got to get the bike squared away. Mine's all serviced, ready to go. Her bike's all ready to go, other than the new exhaust, so we're going to get that installed. I'm out here in the compound. Hung out here this winter. You know, this is where we hang out. Didn't get to do as much as we wanted to this winter because, you know, the global warming thing we got going on here. I pretty much worked a gazillion hours overtime this winter with the bad winter we had. It just started early, and as I speak right now, it's April, and you know, it's still snowing out right now. So it just doesn't seem to quit. But definitely ready for some warm weather, some riding. Snort Run coming up. Can't wait to get out there and do some riding. We're staying at Mike's camp, Can-Am Mike. And but let's get this open. Let's check out this exhaust. And we're going to get it installed on the wife's 570. The reason we went with the Quiet Core is, you know, she didn't want something really loud and obnoxious or anything like that. So something a little bit louder than the stock exhaust. So let's work on this, get it installed, and see what it sounds like, see what it does with the bike. We also got a tuner to come with it, so hopefully everything should be tuned in good and she'll be ready to rip. So let's get this baby open, check it out, see what it is. All right, let's check this baby out. Electronic controller, all programmed for the exhaust. Makes it simple, you don't have to worry about getting it set up or anything like that. This exhaust here is just the slip-on. We didn't go with the full exhaust. You really don't need it unless you're going to do motor mods or something like that. So pretty exhaust right there. HMF. Looks good. Can't wait to get it installed. It's the Titan QS. Made in USA. Right there, baby. That's what we're talking about. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Lots of packaging for the wood stove. That's nothing. So there it is. HMF Titan QS. Programmer. Clamps. Nice. So first thing we'll have to do is we're going to have to get the old one off. Get her done. Alright, for this 2016 XMR 570, to put this Titan, HMF Titan Quiet Series on, it's going to mount to here on your 570. It's not going to mount up here. I was a little screwed up on that when we first got it. I just looked at it real quick and thought maybe it was the wrong one. But if you follow the directions correctly and look at the directions, which I never seem to do, it shows you that for this particular bike model, it's going to mount right here where these two bolts are. So we just got our exhaust out. The old one, put this little tailpipe in, and don't tighten nothing down. We'll get everything all locked together, and then we'll tighten it down. So let's get these, let's try to get these out of here. All right, well, the exhaust is in place. It looks pretty good right there. Hopefully none of the friends there that follow her will run into the back of her. But the other one wasn't banged up, so hopefully it'll be good. We'll get these clamps tightened down, and then we're ready to put the tuner in. Gonna have to get the bike cleaned up a little bit first, so I think. So, all right, let's get a move on. All right, well, we got the tuner installed. We hooked it to the injectors there. I mounted it right there on the gearbox. Sometimes people are riding deep water a lot. We'll hook it up even higher. The wife, I doubt she'll be going in water that deep too much, so hopefully not, as long as she keeps it upright. Should be good and safe there. But we got it hooked up. Got our wires all zip tied in there nice. Dielectrical greased, you know, the connections. So hopefully she's good. So let's fire this thing up, see what it sounds like. Looks good. So there it is, HMF Titan Quiet Series. Nice looking bike. Many more videos to come. Dirt run coming up this coming weekend. It's gonna be a good time. But yeah, we have we get a lot more videos of this exhaust here in town. Got a nice sound to it. Got a nice little rumble, but it's not loud and obnoxious. Perfect for this bike. So sweet. I just want to thank HMF for this exhaust. Hopefully you like this video. Pretty cool sounding like perfect. Now we just got to get the bike cleaned up and get ready. So, thank you for watching. Over and out. Ultimate Outdoors.